Hey journeys, where y'all been? It's Unique and I'm back with another video. So I had to get myself together because let me just tell y'all, I was not in the mood to film this video, but I was like, enough is enough. They have been waiting on this TEMU haul since I mentioned it on my vlog. If y'all haven't seen it yet, definitely check the description box down below. And if y'all haven't considered liking and subscribing to my channel, then definitely do so. So this is what the packaging looks like. Just to let y'all know, this video is not sponsored. They come in this poly bag like this, so we're gonna open it up and see how they turned out. For y'all who did not see like my mini TEMU haul, I was saying how I was a little weary of them to see if they was actually real or not, and I wasn't sure if they was real or not, or if they would be a scam. But this is actually my third time ordering from TEMU and they're not a scam, and I've been seeing that the YouTube girlies are getting into the TEMU thing. So yeah, let's see what they got. The prices are really good, which y'all will see in the video. And I need some scissors, so I'll be right back. Okay, I got the scissors, and excuse the background noise. Y'all know I don't live alone, but this is when I had time, so here we go. Everything comes in these like reusable bags, which y'all know I love because I recycle these. Okay y'all, so I got everything out of the packaging because that rattling was just gonna get on my nerves. Let me go ahead and open my order up because y'all my journeys and y'all taking the time to watch this video. So let me go to the order and see exactly what it is that I get. First things first is this fringed hem spaghetti strap top. It comes in this pink color like this, and I got it in a size 4, which is a small on TEMU. But it's just like this little knitted top, and it has like the little fringe at the bottom right here, which is cute. The material is actually thick for like TEMU stuff. I'm not saying that they make cheap stuff, but you would think so because this was actually only $7.99. So it's like, I don't know about that, but it's actually good material, and I would say that they knitted it pretty good. So we'll see how that looks on. The next thing that I got are these just some basic like brown sandals because I ain't really have no summer shoes like that. So I got these, and they're in a size 6, and this is the color bronze, even though it looks so brown. I don't know why they say bronze. Then I got these pants. They look so big, I'm scared. It says it's small, but this booty look big, don't it? It's giving medium. I don't know if I'll be able to fit these, but I'll make a video and put it on the side and tell y'all how it goes. Huge. I don't think I can fit these. I probably end up giving these away, but they're just these distressed like skinny jeans because the ones that I had before, girl, them things ripped all to pieces, and I was like, I need to re-up on some black skinny jeans. So I got these. The material is actually really good. I'm shocked. Like, I thought that everything was gonna be really flimsy, but it's giving like regular clothes that you would get from a regular store. So I don't know, I'm a little surprised by TEMU. I'm not gonna even lie. The hardware is there, the zipper, it works. It's a little stiff because I'm sure it's been in the factory, but girl, put some oil, some WD-40 on there and you should be good. But I don't know about these sizes though. That's the only thing. Like, these pants is not giving a small, it's giving a medium, like it's giving a 5. But it's not giving my kind of small. It's somebody's small, but it ain't my small. Then after that, I got some shorts. I love these little distressed shorts like this. Now these I can fit. I can look at these and tell you I can fit these. It just has this acid wash type effect to them. But I feel like you can never have too many like distressed shorts for when it gets hot outside. And these can be paired with cute little tank tops and stuff during the summertime. Tank tops, I got these basic halters, one in this pretty light blue color, and then I got a plain white one. Just some basic like halters that I can just throw on, I don't know, for like a day party, or just one day when a girlie's like, let's go outside and I don't really want to think about an outfit. I can throw one of these on and it'd be cute. And some other basics that I got, like I feel like I'm just a person that's really inclined to basic stuff. So y'all see I got this black tank on, but I got this black crop top shirt right here. It's also in a size small, and then I got it in green. This actually came as a 3-piece set, and then I also got the white one. It looks kind of big, but I'm gonna try it on and see how it looks on. But I can definitely say their stuff run big. I don't think I'm a small in TEMU. I think I might be an extra small in TEMU, which is so sad because I think everything I got is a small. But in my head, I'm just bigger than what I am. Then I got this like one piece. This look real big. Yeah, all that shit is big. It's called the Color Block Halter Jumpsuit. But you can see right here, the legs are really, really long. This one is not as thick, but you can tell it's for the summertime. It's not as thick as the other materials or anything like that. It's also in a size small, and it's giving like very see-through, this one, but everything else look pretty good. So I got that, and then I got another one. This one is giving vacation, so hopefully I go somewhere before the summer is out. But I also got this one. This one's a little more dressy, and the material is a little more thicker, but it's still also like very thin. I don't know, it's more in the middle like compared to the other one. It has a softer like silkier material, and then it also has like the splits on the side. But this is what the pattern look like, and she's cute. So you just wrap her around your neck and see what it's giving. So when I try it on, y'all see how it like turn out. But like first glance, I love this pattern. It's giving like vacay vibes. The legs probably be a little too long for me because y'all know I'm a short girl, so I probably have to put heels on with it. And then I got this 2-piece set. It came with this little round tank top, crop top type thing in this Barbie pink looking color, and this is what the back looks like. They need to go in the dryer. And then it has these little shorts to go with it. These I can fit. This other stuff I don't know, but I thought these colors was really, really cute and pretty. Sets. I got this top right here. I don't know. It said what it's supposed to say, but I didn't think that's what it was gonna say. Then it come with these little shorts right here in this emerald green color. I got these in a small. Hopefully I can fit those. shirts do look really, really big. And then I got these queen ones like this. I really like the material on this. It's so cute. It's like silky kind of. But yeah, it's this tie-dye color and it's a queens on it. So I got it in this color with the shorts, and also say queens. Then I got it in this pink purple color like that with the shorts. Last but not least, I got some glasses. Y'all know back in the days I used to wear these glasses and I love them. I could literally wear these every day. I always wanted to wear them. Blue light glasses. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Because y'all know I stays on the computer and I want to save my eyes, period. So I got these. So intelligent. But yeah guys, so that's everything that I got from TEMU. I'll put all the prices, the actual title, and all the sizes in the description box down below, as well as over the video, so that you guys can be on the up and up as to exactly all the pieces that I got. But yeah, this is my first time ordering clothes from TEMU, and I would say that you can get your stuff within like a week to a week and a half. So it's not the fastest shipping, like it's not Amazon Prime or nothing, but it's definitely not giving like back in the day AliExpress either. So yeah, I would say like if you give yourself a nice 2-week cushion, you'll get your stuff. And they always have like different little deals and stuff that they run on their site as well, because y'all know me, I like to save my coin. Okay, so originally the grand total for everything was $291.88, but when I put in my coupon code with all the discounts and stuff, I end up saving $161. And then I also added another coupon on top of that, which saved me $20. So when it was all said and done, I got free shipping because I spent over a certain amount, and then I also only end up paying $117. So yeah, I end up saving like $180 by just using a coupon code. So y'all make sure that you sign up to their little email thingy so you can get the coupon codes and everything. But yeah, if y'all want more hauls, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Tell me more hauls, and if it's anything that y'all want me to try from TEMU, whether it's an outfit or clothes or shoes or a bag or glasses or anything that y'all see, then leave me those links as well, and you might see it on my next video. And I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and until next time, I will see you on my next video. Bye, journeys.
On my life, on my soul, on my hood, like it's 09. I look fly, I look good.